This car flipping cost Trench family $50,794.46, which is a lot of money, and this is repairing money, and you can add 2 or 3 more hundred in this, but thank God that they are safe, because they can be also harm in this, because this is not a simple or editing. It is a car flip. Car flip means a heavy stunt which is not easy to do, so avoid these kind of things. It will cost you financially, and it also cost you some body damage, which is more expensive. So that's it. That was our latest and today's news about Trench family. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, then hit a like button, share, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.